Before I mount this on my shop wall, I have one real concern. Can somebody just walk up and unclip this and walk away with it? And can I actually install it? I'm 71 years old and I didn't grow up with technology, so installation of things like this here doorbell comes harder for me. I had a company contact me recently asking me if I wouldn't join and partner with them on promoting their product. Reolink, I didn't even know what it was until I looked it up, but it's this camera doorbell system that goes on the outside of your house, or in my case, in my shop. Now, what I'm going to bring you isn't going to be a review of the product, unboxing it, or anything like that. I've already taken it out, and what I'm going to do is take you through the installation of this and give you my honest opinion of how I feel this is going to work out for me and my shop. And you can conclude for yourself if it's going to work for you. My first impression of this product is it appears to be a really good product. This thing right here got some weight to it. It's just not some flimsy, cheap thing. And I want to demonstrate how it works right here. What you hear is it's calling my phone, telling me somebody actually is on the doorbell system. I'm not 100% sure how I set it up like that, and I'm not sure I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not sure I want my phone to ring every time somebody rings my doorbell. The first thing I had to do is plug this in. It said it needed to be plugged in for 24 hours, and I'm going to leave it plugged in for a while to make sure it's all charged up. I shared with you a couple things that on this product. One, like I said, the clipping off, can it come off? And another concern with this being wireless like this is how often will I actually have to charge it? Because to charge it, you got to take your little tool, push it in and unclip it and bring it back in and put it on a USB port cable. Simple enough. And about every 6 months, according to the instructions, that's how often you have to do that. We're going to see over the next few months how that works out for me. Another concern, and I mentioned it briefly, was I gonna even be able to set this thing up. I showed you that it is working. I don't have it installed yet outside, but I believe it will very easily. And which process or which setup did I want to choose? There are two. You can wire it in directly to your doorbell system, which I think that would be fairly straightforward, and probably what these two mounting screws are here. They give you everything in there you need to do that, and then that would be tied right into your existing chimes. I chose the wireless. Charge this up, turn it on, program it to your phone, plug this little device in right here, which is the chime, turn it on. Biggest and hardest thing I had, getting it tied into my Wi-Fi system. And once I actually read the instructions and followed them, it was really simple actually. So far I am really happy with this. I think it's going to work well here. But we're going to go ahead and get this installed on the outside of my building here, and we'll see how it works. Well, have this charged up. I also told you about this. This turns on the side. It's just plugged into a normal wall outlet. And then one more thing I wanted to share is there's a little card in here that records and keeps your information or your video stuff on this unit. This is all the mounting hardware, screws. This is I think it's called a USB cable for charging the equipment. If you go with the doorbell installation, here's your pigtail wires you tie into your unit, and then this into your doorbell. This mounting comes with a couple of different options. You can use this here on the back of that to give yourself a slight angle if you need. In my installation, I don't think I'm going to use that. I'm just going to mount this directly to my wall out there. It's straightforward, and then the unit itself snaps into this like that, and then there's a special tool that you use right here to unclip it. Let's go see how this is going to work. According to the instructions, they don't recommend it being in the direct sunlight, like I'm putting it on the south side of my building here. And they kind of recommend it to stay out of the weather if at all possible. I'm not going to do either. I'm really going to put this to the test, and after a few months of operation, I'll come back and acknowledge this video and tell you exactly how the thing performed, even in adverse conditions. The way I'm going to mount this is they give you instructions on height and stuff, and I don't know about you, but that looks about right, doesn't it? We'll put it right there and see how it works. All I did, and this is metal, and I'm not sure if it's going to function on metal yet, but we'll find that out today. But I got a couple of self-tapping screws that they weren't in the mounting setup, but I had them here in the shop, and I'm just going to mount them to the steel. I don't know, what do you think? Does that look like about the right height for a doorbell? It does to me. Let's put this in. I'm just going to line it up with the rib on this siding to keep it straight. That looks good there. That's as simple as that. That's how easy it is to put the bracket on. It might be a little crooked, but no one will notice that riding by on a fast horse. So let's get the doorbell thing snapped in and see what it does. Let's put it on this wall and see what happens. I had to take the bracket off because the screws hit the back of the doorbell, and I had to reattach it with the existing screws. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't realize this thing talks to you. Not only that, look how clear this is at nighttime. This is really early morning, and I wanted to see how bright it was. So I took a picture sitting on my couch at home, and this is what it showed me. Isn't that bright? Can even hear the birds in the background. Well, what do you think? I think it's a pretty decent product. There's one thing I neglected to say, though, that did you notice the view? It was from head to toe, clear down. And the fact that there's free person and package detection, that means no monthly fees, and no monthly fees for your local storage too, and that's what that card is for. Well, at the end of the day, I just want you to realize this video isn't about adding technology. I'm not that big into it, but awareness to the surroundings for my shop and in my shop. And it's simple and it works. It was easy to install, and it looks like it's going to be real durable. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have any comments, please share them below. If you're interested in this product, this Reolink Video Doorbell, I'll leave some links in my description that you can grab. And if you like content, like I bring, I'd Sure appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. If you want to catch more videos similar to this, watch one of these up here. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? You're darn right you can fix it. Until the next one.